Good morning! Day 2! Ayan, so day 2, ang itinerary natin for today is we're gonna go to Mercy's plant. So, titignan natin paano sila gumagawa ng mga bacolod pasalubong like piyaya, ganyan, Napoleones, etc. And then after that, today is a Silay's day tour. So, Silay day tour tayo. We're also gonna explore some food places in Silay at saka yung mga heritage house nila. And of course, dadaanan din natin yung the ruins. So join us for another day here in Bacolod! Bacolod! Hi, Gav. Ayan. Excuse me, Gabi. Excuse po, Gav.
You want cheese and pandan or
Pack po. Okay po. Para mas marami pa po yung customer. Thank you po! Salamat po! Ayan, so we bought the puto there and then meron dito sa kabilang side. Kanila din to. So meron silang different foods na available. Tapos, alam ko meron din silang dinuguan here.
baka biglang mahulog? Pagalitan pa ako ni ate, lumubog.
So, yan yung dinuguan nila.
75 per
75 pesos per order. And then, apart from that, they have other food here like lumpia, and then they have bicho-bicho, tas bodbod. Tapos you actually have, meron sila dito ng mga puto na. So, puto cheese, puto plain, and ube. Puto ube. Okay, so this is the dinuguan. Dinuguan. And then si Gabi, binubuksan niya na yung puto. Actually, meron palang individual pieces, hindi namin alam. So, bumili kami ng marami. Struggle is real. Pwedeng humiram ng pinggan para malagay natin yung puto. Okay guys, so tutry na natin yung puto na dinayo pa talaga namin dito. So, residential area lang siya. Tapos, specialty nila yung mga puto. So, nag-order kami ng plain na puto. Kinagatan ko na siya kanina. Tapos, meron din cheese. Actually, ito, pandan. And then, there's cheese puto. So, syempre, ang partner ng puto is dinuguan. So, try natin. So, ito yung plain na puto. Syempre, ito yung first na ito-try natin. Gusto ko sausaw sa sausaw sa dinuguan. Yung dinuguan nila pork and blood. Tapos medyo medyo maasim siya. Dinuguan maasim side, but it's fine. Alright, try natin yung cheese puto. So yung puto nila hindi ma-flour. Bigas, no? Bigas. Puto bigas yung gamit nila. Tsaka very, tasty, mabigat siya. Mabigat siya sa tiyan. So try natin yung cheese. So the cheese one, merong cheese sa loob talaga.
Sana may masarap na kadal.
And then we will try finally actually may ube pa pero hindi kami nag-order. We'll try the pandan. Ooh, the pandan look, parang may shreds of buko. Oh wow.
Patikin mo.
Oh my God. Ayan, tapos nag-order din si ate ng budbod. So, budbod is parang suman. Ito siya. Tapos, yung nasa loob niya ay, malagkit ate, no? Malagkit na matamis. Sarap yarn. Okay, so, we're done eating our breakfast. Ang sarap nung dinuguan nila tsaka yung puto. Well, puto talaga yung specialty nila here. So, all the flavors that we've tried are really good. Pero, ang favorite ko yung buko pandan, and masarap talaga siya with dinuguan. So, solid yung dinuguan nila. So, we would give it 5 over 5. So, yun. Nasa may, ano lang to, residential area. Hindi siya masyadong commercialized. Very quiet dito. Plus the fact that I think mga locals talaga yung kumakain dito. Buti na lang nakita ko to in one of the videos in YouTube. So, very good discovery siya. So, our next stop would be sa Mercy na plant. So, we're gonna see how the Bacolod pasalubong are made, yung mga piyaya, Napoleones, etc. Excited din ako doon because it's like a field trip for us. So, let's go! Field trip na tayo after breakfast! Thank you po! Thank you!
Ngayon, saan tayo?
Hindi ko alam.
Kasi warehouse yan, ni-loading ang loading yan. Before we start, can we have a photo?
Yes, sige po. Apo. Sorry, your name again, ma'am?
Nestle.
Si Miss Nestle.
Neslie.
Okay.
Hindi Nestle.
Nestle. Thank you, Miss Nestle, for having us. Okay. Thank you so much. Yay! Okay, let's go.
I have a question lang before we start.
No, we're familiar with Mercy kasi nakikita pag may nagpapasalubong and all that. Tapos yun nga, I think in Manila or even in Cebu, I can see some...
I mentioned earlier yung Blumentritt.
Yeah,
Kila Aling Maming.
Malapit kila,
It's our first branch in Luzon.
Oh,
Blumentritt.
cool.
And then you mentioned Cebu.
Yes.
Because we have 2 branches in Cebu.
Right.
Colon and Bacnaan.
Yeah, okay.
Then the rest are in Iloilo and most are here in Negros. So, but we also have dealers actually. Distributors all over the Philippines. We actually have 73 branches.
Wow, congratulations!
Owned by just
One
owner. Sole proprietorship.
So, hindi kayo nagpa-franchise?
No franchise. Just pasalubong. Hindi lang kami all about piyaya, bizcocho. We also have a bake shop. We also have our own purified drinking water.
Wow.
And we have a fast food line. Yung arena na sa tabi ng market.
Yung mga ganon. Humble beginnings
Ganon
talaga.
Very humble beginning ng Mercy. Hanggang sa naging popular yung brand dito sa Bacolod.
Right.
Yung naging popular. Kaya, nagkaroon na ng iba-ibang lines.
Bilisan niya.
Bilisan namin bababa. Para mas gusto nila na kasi yung nagiging
Piyaya!
depende sa confidence.
Na ano, piyaya?
These are the
Bizcocho.
ito na lang natin.
Ayan, favorite ni Mama.
Oo, sarap yun sa coffee. So, but regardless of that, kahit na mano-mano sila, ang kaya nilang gawin sa isang araw, 90,000 slices.
Oh, wow!
Tapos yan yung ibibigay dito for water.
Yes.
And then yung saka ito-toast siya.
Yes.
So, pag dinilagyan pala nila ng water, ano
Tayo. Okay. So, baka magtaka kayo, it's mas hot dito sa side, and nagpapag, even if you touch the glass, it's medyo
Massive oven, no? Kaya tao.
Hindi lang isa, kaya marami.
Oh my gosh, yeah! What's this?
This is the... Could you imagine the heat? Lagay closer.
Pero hindi naman siya mainit.
Hindi naman, kasi hihigop naman yung ano yung air.
Well ventilated naman siya. Hello po!
Super happy! Ang cute nila! Okay, so this is how we make the very famous Bacolod Piyaya. When you say Bacolod, the top of the mind pasalubong product that comes to the mind is pamili ng piyaya.
Correct!
And then again. And we have, right now we are making original and your favorite
Ube!
But actually we have 3 flavors. Our 3rd flavor is mango.
Oh wow! Oh my God, I haven't tried that.
Have to try.
I will.
Mango piyaya. To be trained to work in a tiny house. factory kasi.
Galing-galing ni Kuya, yung flipping kuya. Oh, pak. Flipping kuya. Yeah.
Ang galing. Tingnan mo nga si Kuya, nakatingin pa dito sa atin. Naglalagay ng ano.
Sabi sa inyo ka.
Yeah, I saw that earlier. Oh, cutie! This is the Pasalubong Patrol. Lava! Oh, wow! Wow! And these are all freshly made! Wow! Ano ni? Magkabila pa yung ano ni Gabi. Oo. Pati si Sir. Oh, Sir. Oh, sarap, 'di ba? Oh. So they also have pasalubong area here, so you can also buy stuff before you leave the plant. So bumili na rin kami.
May bacolod na akong.
So we had of course the ube piyaya, the bizcocho, we have the toasted mamon and all that. Yan. Yay! We're so happy!
Wow! And then, Mommy is buying something.
Hala, nagsha-Sharon. Sharonians! Ate, Sharonians yung mga nandito, oh.
Yes, bakit?
Alright, we have arrived at Melkins. So we're gonna have lunch here. Alright, so we are going to get a seat inside. Marami naman palang available na seats inside. Hello po! Good afternoon po! So it's like sobrang native. Yung floor nila is like bamboo and stuff. And then puro bamboo yung mga seats. Super duper nice, guys. Sobrang nice. Seller, di ba? Bakit hindi?
Diet Coke ba or zero? Zero and... Yun nga, nagkamaroon si...
Hi, so we were done sa Mercy. We really had a great time. So thank you so much to Mercy Pasalubong PH for having us in the Mercy plant in Bacolod. So special mention to Miss Nestle for touring us around. Sobrang informative talaga nung tour. Tapos very warm and welcoming si Miss Nestle. So thank you so much. Salamat po. Now we are at Melkins Seafood Restaurant and this is in Silay. May specific na barangay here. I'm gonna tell later on. But we're gonna have our lunch here before our Silay tour. So, super nice nung area. As you can see sa back ko, diba? Parang, it's actually very massive. And at the same time, ang ganda. Made of bamboo and all that. Tapos, ang specialty nila is yung seafoods kasi malapit to sa dagat. So, I'm gonna show you around and then I'm gonna show you the food as well. Ayun! So, very excited! Ang saya-saya ng day 2 namin so far. So, yun. Ayan. So, we're gonna show you the food later. Okay, so people, umorder kami ng ano to? Sinigang na blue marlin. We also have camaron, rebosado, which is shrimp. Mixed seafood, sizzling mixed seafood for variety. Char. And inihaw na liempo.
And of course, rice.
So rice. Tapos nagagalit na sila. So kain na kami. Let's go. Kain na po. This is a bit far from Bacolod. Mas malapit siya sa airport. No, sir. Mas malapit po siya sa airport. So, if you're coming from Bacolod, medyo it will take... Pero hindi naman din ganun kalayo. Parang siguro mga 20-30 minute drive. Pero dadayuhin kami here. But it's worth it naman. So guys, you might not see it very well, pero dun sa maliwanag na side na yan, dagat na yan dyan sa maliwanag na side. Done eating here at Melken's, we would say, ilan
10
subo?
na subo over 5. This is the best. The price, seafood, the seafood.
Grabe yung kinain namin na 4 na order ng mga ulam iba-iba. Nakita nyo naman. It's only 1,800 pesos. Super duper affordable talaga. And beside the fact na it's affordable, quality talaga, fresh yung seafood, masarap yung luto. As in, masarap talaga. So yun, we're gonna leave now and we are heading to Silay Sana. We are very happy with our lunch and I was actually telling them, I think that this is the best meal I've had in Bacolod. Syempre, of course, iba yung inasal. But in terms of like pagkain, sobrang sarap. Salamat po, salamat po. Thank you po. Pwede po mag-hi kayo. Thank you po. Salamat po. Alright guys, so next stop natin is El Ideal. And we're going to try their guapol pie because it's a famous thing that they have. Okay, so we are inside El Ideal. And this place is famous for their guapol pie. But apart from the guapol pie, they also have different pasalubongs in here. So you can actually stop here for pasalubong before going to the airport. They have the usual stuff like bizcocho, mga garlic toast. They also have like mani. Ang dami! Tapos this is the El Ideal. Oh, they have angel cookies, lubid-lubid. They have broas. I think I'm gonna buy some. Kasi gusto to ni Mama. Oh. Tapos yun, meron din silang garlic sauce and all that. Tapos, meron din silang mga caramel tart. Bibili ako! I'll buy some stuff. My mom loves these things. Meron din silang apa. Oh my God. I remember nung bata ako, favorite namin yung apa. Binibili sa church. And then they also have different kinds of food, cafe stuff. So they have hamburgers, may mga short orders sila, rice meals, may halo-halo. And of course, their best seller is the guapol pie. So we're going to try the guapol pie. We asked earlier, pero nagbe-bake pa raw ng guapol pie. So it's gonna take about 30 minutes or about 45 minutes, but we're gonna wait for that. Kasi yan, yung iba nilang mga pies. I think the buko pie is also good. Because may cassava cake din sila. Everything looks really nice. Everything looks really good. So I think prices nila. So the whole pie is just 390 pesos. And then if you want to just taste it, like the slice would cost you around 60 pesos. They have coconut pie. Tapos meron din silang mga savory stuff. So ito yung price list nila. Kind of wanted to try the empanada, but I'm actually saving the empanada kasi meron tayong pupuntahang empanada shop just right across this. Madam, may guapol na wala pa. So yan, order kami ng brewed coffee lang. Oo, relax lang muna kami dito. Mapapababa ng kinain. And guys, we ordered brewed coffee and we got buko pie kasi nga wala pa yung guapol, binibake pa lang. Maghantay muna tayo ng konti. Diba? Dessert, kasi kakakain lang ng Melken's. Wow. Coffee yarn.
Soft yung...
Oh my God, this is really good. As fresh as it can get. It's really good. Sabi ko nga, parang galing kinayod lang dun sa buko. Tapos nilagay sa pie. Not matamis. Actually, I don't think they put any sugar in it. Parang just the natural buko flavor. And then their coffee is refillable. For how much to, anak?
55 pesos.
For 55 pesos. So you can
Drink all you
tambay. But yeah, it's really good. And sobrang nice talaga ng ambiance dito. Kasi nga, I think it's an old house, like yung bottom ng old house, and then they turned it into a cafe. So it's air conditioned here, so if you want to, diba, to tambay. And I think a lot of locals also nagtatambay din sila dito to para pag mag-coffee, para mag-pie. Yun yung may full menu sila meron. Nakita ko kanina may umorder ng palabok. So, parang ang sarap niya, di ba? Ayun. So, we're still waiting for the guapol pie. Yun yung hintay namin. Pero sabi parang around 30 minutes to 45 minutes pa. Pero since umuulan din, di kami makakalabas. We're just gonna wait for it. And share with you. Ang sarap, ang sarap. It's really good. So finally, dumating na yung bagong luto to as in super warm, fresh out of the oven. And we're gonna try out the guapol pie. So this is also very famous here. Nabasa ko rin to sa book na Tikim. Alright, let's try it out.
Diba?
Guava. It's like apple pie, but with guava. Diba? Apple pie siya. But instead of apple, they use guava. And then you can pair that with coffee. They're refillable. Kukentuhan ko kayo because right now, I'm reading the book Tikim. So this is from Doreen G. Fernandez. And in this book, she talks about Filipino food. And since she is from Negros, her house is actually here in Silay. I don't know where exactly, pero hanapin ko. If mahanap namin, mamaya hanapin ko. She used to live here. And then, on this book, there is a specific page that talks about the lumpia of Silay. So this is on page 22. You can see here. And si Gabi bumibili siya ngayon ng lumpia ng Silay dito sa El Ideal. So, lumpia is a mixture of vegetables and or meat, seafood, rolled up into a thin paper and served with or without a sauce. In Southeast Asian phenomenon, obviously derived from Chinese spring rolls. And in Vietnam, the wrapper is silky rice paper. In Singapore, the makings of popia are laid out and party guests can cook and wrap their own. Thus, in Philippines, lumpia is found fresh or uncooked, either sariwa, sauteed in vegetable, ubod toge garbanzo, singkamas, and green beans, and white flour and water wrapper, perhaps lined with a leaf of native lettuce, or fried, vegetable thin. Tapos in Silay City, Negros Occidental, however, it is always fresh in the morning. The coconut tree down from ubod only hours before so that the pith is sweet and white. So, yung ubod, yun yung coconut ba ubod? Basta it's ubod. What they do here with the lumpia of Silay, the crunchy ubod is sauteed with pork and shrimp and seasoned well with garlic so that no sauce is needed. So, compared to lumpiang sariwa na may pagka-Chinese descent, I mean sa Luzon, it has like parang the brown sweet sauce, right? But it doesn't have any. So the wrapper, sometimes egg yellow, is so thin that it melts in your mouth, and the jaunty spring rolls is stuck in for crunch and bite. So it may be served with a drink called ensalada of coconut water, fruits, and ubod chopped fine. It's incomparable, and the stuff of which Silay non-memories are made. So ibig sabihin, itong food na to talaga, this is really a Silay non-food. And while we are in Silay, of course, we're gonna try it out. And nag-order si Gabi ng lumpia. Alright, so we're gonna try out the El Ideal lumpia. It's quite cold. Okay, so this is the lumpia ng Silay. Let's try it out. So the inside is ubod. There's like an egg inside. I can really taste the garlic. So parang yung sauce nga talaga, hindi mo na kailangan. Kasi yung lasa ng sauce, ate na tawag dun sa sauce, maalat. Yung brown sauce ng lumpiang sariwa, na usual ko na nakakain. It's already there. The taste is already there. So it's not bland. Andun na lahat. So I'm trying to look for other ingredients. Parang egg yung nakikita ko, pero mostly ubod. Sobrang sarap.
Ubod ng sarap.
Ubod ng sarap. I grew up eating lumpiang sariwa from Lola Ann. From my auntie. Wow. 5/5 na subo, guys. Ito na yung ulit isa sa mga favorite kong nakain from Bacolod. Naiiyak ako, guys. Ang sarap ng pagkain dito. Bakit ganun? Well, I'm actually glad na meron sa El Ideal nitong lumpia because supposedly I intend to buy this sa palengke nila. Kasi sa palengke nila, may mga nagtitinda doon ng kakanin. They have this, but I'm glad that El Ideal has this. Alright, guys, we're done here at El Ideal. We're now moving to our next destination. Actually, ang ano na namin is to go around Silay, heritage tour. But ang next namin ay empanada. So we're going to the empanada shop po. Thank you po. Thank you po. Okay, so we're gonna walk. It's about a minute walk from here. So we're heading to Emma Lacsan's Empanada. So ano din yun, one famous food stop here. Tas yun, walang store to. So it's just a house, just right across. So nagpark lang kami sa tabi ng El Ideal and then we're just gonna walk towards, ayun, that green gate I think. So from El Ideal, ito yung El Ideal. Pupunta lang kayo, right? Tapos, may makikita kayong BPI dito. And then, I believe the green gate right there is, kakatok lang tayo, tapos aakyat tayo doon. Yes, right there. I believe it is. Yes. Walang magbubukas sa'yo, papasok ka lang.
Papasok ka lang?
Oo.
Kasi may dyaryo.
Sige, okay lang yan. Hindi ka matitrespassing.
Nakabukas pala eh.
I told you.
Baka biglang may ano.
Wala yan. Tao po, pabili po empanada. Hello. Empanada po, okay. Thank you. Sir, lika po. Sarado na lang yung pinto. Bibili tayo empanada. Kuya, may tanong po ako. Kuya, yung ubod po ba galing sa... Saan po galing yung ubod? Niyog? Pero sa Niyog po siya. Niyog, galing sa Niyog. So, umakit na sila. Umakit na sila dun. Hello po.
Siguro kahit natutulog ka gumaganyan.
Ilan nga ulit, sir? 700 pieces per day. Tapos si sir lang po yung gumagawa. Ang galing. Mastered the art of making the design. Ay, by hand talaga pati yung ano. Hala, ang galing mo, sir. Oh my God, ang galing.
Hanggang anong oras kayo bukas?
Mga 6 ng aga.
6 ng umaga hanggang?
Hanggang 7 ng gabi.
Tapos naubos mo po lahat yung 700 na ano?
Kulang pa.
Kulang pa.
Ano yun, sir, mga pre-order or pwedeng walk-in katulad na? Walk-in lang.
Hindi tumatanggap ng pre-order.
Tanggap. Mayroong mag-order. Pre-order.
Ito si sir gagawa ng from scratch. Grabe, ang galing ng art. Ang galing. No joke. Ano talaga siya.
Mainit-init pa yung ano.
So, ito yung mga luto na mga empanadas. Look at that. Really good.
Ang ano nyo, yung flaky na.
Tapos, ito yung mga ginagawa pa ni sir. Thank you po. Yan. Okay, thank you po. Actually, sinay na natin. Ang in-order natin is yung pork. Really good. It's flaky. Medyo matamis yung feeling niya. I mean, matamis na parang pickles. Because of the raisins and the pickles. It's really good. And if you really don't know the place, huwag kayong matakot pumasok dun sa green gate nila, ha? Kasi bukas naman yan talaga. Tapos yun, akyat lang kayo dun sa hagdan. And then the last floor right there is their production. Dun sila nagluluto. So you can just go in and order this. Don't miss this in Silay. Sarado na po. Tapos na po. Bus na po. Bye-bye. So we are walking around. So you can see right here, there are different heritage houses. And then on that one, Cafe 1925, that's also a pretty famous cafe. They specialize in batuan pie right here. Batuan tart, I'm not sure. But we are too full to eat. And then this is Stephen's Balay Puti. I think it's also a restaurant. I'm not sure if they're open. Parang hindi, no?
Nagpapadeliver na daw ngayon. Hoy, walang logo yan, ha?
Okay guys, we're at the ruins now. Magbabayad lang muna tayo ng entrance before we go inside. So here are the entrance fees. Ayan. So if you want consumable, 400 pesos in the restaurant. Pero since sobrang busog na namin, entrance fee lang yung babayaran namin. Adult is for 150, and then senior citizen 100, students, photoshoot. Okay. So sinundo na lang din kami ni Kuya. We will just ride the car here. Malayo pa. So from the entrance, ito na. Kita na. Ayan na yung ano, yung ruins. Okay guys, we're here at the ruins. Welcome to the ruins. Okay, so pan-akyat tayo dito. Siyempre, doon kasali ako. So we're going to go inside and see what's in here. So this is inside. Ang ginawa namin, pinasukan na namin agad yung from the parking area. So we went straight here. So there's a souvenir shop in here if you want to buy any souvenirs. Later on, we're gonna do that. We're gonna visit that. And then this is what's inside. So if you want to learn more about the ruins, meron ditong parang television that transmits like information about the place. What's the background about the ruins. And this is what it looks like inside. It's actually very grand. I don't really know the exact history of this, but I know that this was built for the person who built this, for yung wife niya. When ito yung pinaka-isa sa mga grandest na mansions here in Bacolod, here in Negros. And then during the Japanese period, sinunog talaga siya. Alam ko sinunog talaga siya. Kaya naging ruins na lang siya. Sinunog talaga siya para hindi siya gamitin ng mga Japanese forces na maging parang headquarters nila or something. Alright, so here it is in here. So sila Gab, picture-picture lang sila. Super ganda rin. Super ganda rin. Ayan, nagmadali sila ate kasi pupunta doon sa para mapicturean doon siya sa kalesa. Ang ganda ate. Kalesa. Say Kalesa. Kalesa. Hi. Super sulit dito. Punta rin dito sa the ruins. Actually, maliit lang siya. It's really not that grand. Kumbaga parang mga 15 minutes nga lang maikot nila to. Pero yun, maganda naman yun.
Instagram.
Ang daming Instagram spots. If you want to have your pictures taken, maraming Instagram spots here. Tapos meron din silang cafe. So di ba kanina, meron ng parang 400 pesos na consumable if you want to go to their cafe. Baka gusto nyo ng coffee, gusto nyo ng drinks and all that. So that's where you go. Oh, sobrang ganda. Super nice.
So they suggest that you go here nang around 5 p.m. for the sunset. It's pretty now. There, oh, so wow, amazing there back there. It's pretty now, but it's prettier now during the evening, during the sunset. But I like this better. I like this, how well lit it is right now. Saka kasi parang damang-dama mo na parang, wow, ruin.
So this is the cafe area. Meron nga mo performer. Okay guys, we're now trying out Chicken House. Let's go! So this is just like a few meters from our hotel. So to try naman natin this time yung Chicken House for the inasal. And then they're saying that this is also one of the best inasal here in Bacolod. So we're gonna try it out.
Tag-isa lang. Tapos, spare ribs. And then, beef nilaga. Parang kansi.
Hindi. Parang ano?
Sinigang.
Oh.
So this is the pancit molo. And then we ordered a little bit of everything. And then the spare ribs. And then the rice. So medyo parang mas maliit yung mga servings nila dito. Kaya parang nabibitin yung dalawa. Order na lang tayo if ever kulang pa. So, done na kami kumain dito. Medyo maliit yung serving nila. Ang comparison namin kasi yung Aidas. Tapos, feeling ko nabitin ako. Si Gabi din, feeling niya nabitin siya. Maliit din yung rice nila. Okay, we're done with dinner. Tapos punta naman kami sa Cafe Box. Tapos isa to dun sa mga parang newly opened, well, recently, in recent years, na addition to the cafes here in Bacolod. So, it's about, nandun siya sa may Lacson Street. So, pupuntahan namin siya doon. Different kinds of
Merong Oreo cheesecake.
Yeah, there's Oreo cheesecake, there's carrot cake. So naguguluhan pa kami kung anong i-order namin. But we are thinking about getting grilled cheese. Gusto mo ng spaghetti carbonara. Okie doke, so we have bought this beautiful croissant.
Parang ang ganda-ganda niya.
Yes, and then we also got the moist chocolate. Parang meron siyang caramel sa gitna or something. Mukha siyang old school chocolate cake, like probinsya chocolate cake, which I like. So those are our first orders. We also got some coffee. So nag-order din kami ng coffee. And we also got grilled cheese sandwich with tomato soup. Maganda dito sa Cafe Bob. Sabi nga ni Gab, para siyang Dean and DeLuca. Bacolod version of Dean and DeLuca. So we're still waiting for the coffee and grilled cheese sandwich. And dumating na yung grilled cheese sandwich with the tomato soup and side salad. And then we also got here the Spanish latte. Tapos ako, I ordered hot na mocha, and then si ate, cappuccino. So this is their croissant. This is a good butter croissant. Look at the layers sa loob. Really nice. Flaky, buttery, bagay with coffee. Really good.
This is good. Especially with the tomato soup.
Try. Then this one daw, sabi nila, masarap din. This is a chocolate cake, and then meron siyang parang in the middle, coffee cream in the middle. Oh, damn.
Diba?
Very classic chocolate cake yung lasa niya. I really love it.
With their coffee, for me, it's normal. Nothing special.
Really good.
Yeah, with the soup talaga. How much? 190. Pwede na.
Tingnan mo si ate, ang daming kinakain.
Hala. Ang dami kinakain.
Ang daming kinakain.
So, Max says, guys.